I just got a Dygma Raise keyboard. Uh, this is it right here. And after almost a week, I've been messing with some of the keyboard layouts and I figured I'd show them off. So I have two of them that I'm going to show off. I'm going to show off the navigation slash editing layer and the I call it the hyper navigation slash editing layer. Um, this is like the point of reference where you can move around with the arrow keys. This is like going home or end screen. Um, this is like going left and selecting one letter. This is going right, selecting one letter. Uh, this is going above, selecting everything from the line to up one character. I can show you that later. This is the down version. Um, this is kind of like the same thing as going to the end, except for if there's like a line wrap, then it will continue all the way to the line wrap. Um, Same thing for this. Um, let's see. This is basically top, goes to the top of the page. This is bottom, goes to the bottom of the page. Um, these are your what's it, undo, cut, copy, paste. So that should be familiar. Um, this is a macro to select the line. This is a macro to delete to the left. This is a this you can delete to the right. Um, this macro it makes say space underneath. So if you're like in the middle of a line and you press this, then you're going to go down and enter. Page down, page up. This is like the opposite. If you're in the middle of a line, then you basically make a new line above. Um, this just deletes the whole line. And this selects a word. And escape. Escape is pretty useful, so I have that there. So this is like the navigation layer that I use. Usually I'm holding down this key right here on my base layer, but then if I want to shift to the hyper navigation, or the number layer here, number 3, I would do left shift, but I'm starting to experiment with just hitting this key instead while I'm in the second navigation layer. So this layer, it's kind of similar. Right here, there's the arrow keys as well, except this goes up 3 times, so it's just up arrow 3 times. This is very useful in like coding, or just you need to move around a little bit. This is going down 3 times. Um, this is left one forward. This is right one forward. This is right 3 forwards, left 3 forwards. The green right here, this is selecting left, selecting all the text, or of selecting the word to the left. This is selecting the word to the right. So once that's selected, you can do a bunch of different actions. Um, this is this macro right here. It selects the line, everything from your cursor to the line above, and then it goes all the way to the left to like the home basically, so you select the full line. Whereas this version, if you're only in the middle of the line, then it's just going to go up to that middle line. It'll be easier. I'll do this quick demo afterwards. This selects everything to the right of the line. This selects everything to the left of the line. This selects everything to the top of the page. This selects everything to the bottom of the page. These are all the same. All I can copy and paste. This selects all the text. This right here deletes a word to the left of the cursor. This deletes a word to the right of the cursor. This deletes everything. Then this uh, let's see, this deletes from your cursor position all the way to the left. This deletes everything from your cursor position to everything to the right. Yeah, so I'll do a quick demo of showing what you can do with this. So here's just some lorem text. I got my basic movement up, down, left, right. Um, if I want to press the next layer to shift, then I go forward instead. So it's pretty useful. And you can see it's going 3 up arrows basically, 3 down arrows. So it's very nice to navigate. It's very easy to go all the way to the left or all the way to the right of this of text. Right now this is like wrapping text. If you look at before, you can see that all this is like together. So right now I'm pressing the O button in the first layer to go to the end of the line here, but if I go and press the period, then it goes to the end. So it's also selecting, so I can select one character at a time, or I can just select the full character and tweak whatever I want. If I want to select, like I was saying above, oh, I know why. Okay, so let's say I'm in the middle here, and if I want from this line going up, it goes up to there, and I can keep doing this. If I want from the middle line to get everything, the full line, then I can press Shift and then press P. That will get everything. So there's also, let's see, what have I not covered? Top of the page, bottom of the page, that is N for bottom, Y for top. Okay, using the shift layer, if I hold down the shift and go up, it selects everything from that line up. Or if I go here, press the shift layer, hyper layer, then N, it selects everything below. You can also think that I get everything there. I can go to the beginning of the line or end of the line using U and O, and I can also select everything from the beginning of the line using holding down Shift and U, or holding down Shift and O, so that's nice. So that was mainly the right hand side of the keyboard. Now talk more about the left. You guys should know copy and paste. That's, yeah, copy, go down here, paste, pretty simple, undo, cut that. Let's go to the bottom and paste that now. So that's pretty easy. If I want to just select this whole line, I can press A, that selects the line. If I do Shift and A, that selects everything at once. If I press on the navigation layer S, it deletes to the left of the word, or wherever my cursor is. Whereas if I do D, it does to the right. If I hold Shift and do S again, then it deletes to the left. And then if I hold Shift and D, it deletes to the right. Let's see. So this is pretty useful. If I want to, if I'm like in the middle here, and I'm just like editing in some code stuff and want to create a new line, but I don't need to go all the way to the end. You can just do that, create a new line. A lot of times I just don't press enter at all. I just keep doing this. And I can also create a line above as well, like that. Let's see. I also have a page down or page up on the T and G. Let's see. If I want to delete a line, I can press E, deletes the lines. That can be pretty handy. If I want to select a word, a lot of times like I misspell something, or I just want to select the whole thing, copy a code or something, and paste it somewhere else. I can do that with W, and then Q. Okay, that's just escape. So if I do, I don't know, have this find, and then I press escape, I can go out of it. And then when I navigate to the hyper layer, if I press W, then it just deletes the whole line, I believe, to the left. So here I am in the middle there. Here I am. If I press E, it deletes everything to the right. So yeah, that's it for the keyboard layers and the navigation / editing layers and I guess selection. I did color code them, sort of. Red is delete for the most part, or escape. This you don't have to worry about. That is for something else actually. Blue is for movements. This is, I guess, also movement in white, like going to the end or the end. Start a line, end a line. Green is for selecting, for the most part. Orange is just standard copy and paste stuff. So yeah, I hope you found this useful.